Hi guys, this is Mr. Square Panchi, my in-game name. Anyway guys, nakoy thought sa usa ka character, no. Actually nag-watch ko karon og kanang Pokemon Horizon series, no. Sila Liko and Roy. And naay usa ka conversation dito or sa usa ka giingon ni Ludlo, one of the characters sa Pokemon Horizon series. Ingon ni Ludlo, the more you know someone, the more we should look at them with a new eyes, followed by the words or the sentence, the truth is elusive. That saying, no, that words of wisdom that came from Ludlow really resonates with me in a way na, no, sometimes it's difficult to understand someone. It's difficult to resonate your being with someone you're having rift with, nakay or di kay nimo bet ang usa ka tao because of her actions or because of your relationship with that person or how you went through with that person, no. But then again, no, if we are able to set the tone, if we are able to create or to have an eye that sets new perspective to that person, we'll be able to understand why that person is doing that thing or this thing, no. Kanang pag ano man god once man god ano namo gud his thought or idea na fixated kita sa aning idea nga once na mailan na to ang tao, once na nakailan na to siya, once man na nahibaw na to yung mga bad sides, yung bad attitude, natay tendency nga mulayo sa usa ka tawo, natay tendency na di na to siya amiguhon tungod kay tungod kay naay nangyari nga bad or tungod kay naka-experience ka sa iya og negative issues. But then again, no, that saying of Ludlow made me realize na if you if you have fresh perspective every day, kay every day is every person is evolving every day. Every day naay bagong emotions, no, nga makater ang usa ka tawo, naay bagong ginaagian, naay currently nga ginaagian ang usa ka tawo. And changing also your perspective every day with that person allows you to understand the person more, no. It allows you to see situations sa iyang kinabuhi na dili kinato makit-an, no. Like it's like saying na try to feel the shoes of that person. Try to empathize, no, to empathize nga na siya nga thought. So yeah, setting yourself every day with a new perspective, with a fresh eyes, in loving someone, or in loving your family members, or in loving your friends, you'll really see na they're good, na naay kam na actually na ta, that humans, that being good is innate to humans, no, nga ang pagkamaayong tao is naa jud sa usa ka tawo, and it's up to you how you, no, ano kanang thought tang sa saying ni Lodlo, it allows us to see and overcome struggles in making a relationship, no. But also it doesn't give you the license, no, na araw-arawon nimo nga ipakita sa tawo nga imong bad negative or tuyuon nimo just to masukod lang usa ka tawo, no. Dili pud siya maayo kay, no, it really is uh it's unfair. So yeah, hama na akong thoughts, no. The more and ang following na words is that um the truth is elusive. It's true. Ang hirap hanapin ng katotohanan. We'll never know unless we feel the truth. No? We'll never know unless we have that same emotion sa katong tao na ato ang gina-interact sa we'll never know unless kita ang nakaagian na. But the only thing that we must do, even though ang truth or ang katotohanan is mahirap hanapin, is that we aspire always to seek genuineness, to seek authenticity in life. Kay kahit mahirap hanapin yung katotohanan, as long as you are true to yourself, and you express your being in this your being in this world or in this universe that we are living, you'll never lose you'll never lose a single good good attitude, no? Pag maayo kang tao, pag kabalo ka nga, you are always in truth, you are always that your work, that your works, that your responsibilities are always justified, you'll never be a loser. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye, guys.